Akshaya Mehta, and I am a student just done with her second year MBBS. And I am right now in Rome Camp in Anji. And when we first come in Rome Camp, or actually we had heard about Rome Camp, we were absolutely blank. We did not know what to expect. And the only thing we knew was reorientation of medical education. That's it. And we did not even know what exactly reorientation is going to include. And so even after coming here, we were not clear with the idea. And a couple of I guess one day we rested, and after that we realized that it's a lot of personality development, it's a lot of healthcare related at the primary health level, and it's all about research. It's a lot more than just these three things. It's a lot more of fun experiences, some personality development. And personality development does not mean on paper personality development. It means coming with blank faces, blank canvases, and then filling your canvas with all sorts of different colors. In that, the most important thing that I remember is the first day of our camp. On 2nd of March, we had one of our PGs, community medicine PGs. He had told us about how to rewind your life and how to realize what exactly does your life mean. And even after coming here, we realized that बहुत बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि आप एक हर्डल पास कर देते हो and you forget the importance of the amount of kashta you had done to cross that hurdle. And then when you rewind and realize that it was, those efforts were paramount, and if you just keep realizing that if you can do that, you can do anything, then you have the energy, you have the scope, and you have the strength to do whatever comes forward. I mean, we just had our life skill session, and I was the one who was giving the introduction, and I just remember telling them that problems हर एक के life में आते हैं. To figure out how to solve those problems and to have our own ammunition against them is what helps us, and that ammunition is built in Rome Camp, and just a lot more than just the academic part. One of the best parts I liked about Rome Camp is about every single person is individualistic to each person, and everyone is different. After a very long time, I actually realized that, and thanks to Arjun sir, he actually gave us, all of us, the space and time to realize that and to imbibe it in us कि हाँ, हम सब अलग है, हम सबको अलग कुछ करना है, और हम सब एक अलग सपना देख सकते हैं. So I wrote it down because he had an activity plan for us where you write down whatever you want to do. You write down the time frame when you will do it, when, how, what do you require for that, who will be your support system. And then in the entire thing, I realized that just because I'm doing MBBS right now does not mean I cannot do those activities later on. Maybe today I won't be doing whatever I want to do, but 5 years later, 10 years later, I'll also be a doctor, and I'll also be able to do those things. To give that hope and support कि हाँ तुम लोग वो करोगे, and you're not somebody who's lost path, and you're not somebody who's lost and confused, and you are right now on your path, is a lot. And thank you to MGIMS for finally giving me that opportunity.
So